Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thanks so much for joining me and my sidekicks. I don't think that you can really see them very well. Here's Zena. Zena's joining us. Wyatt is already down for the count behind me. Hey Z, where are you headed? Want to say hi to everybody? Say hi. Hope you had a happy holidays. We're going to continue our daily videos, hopefully, bringing you a glamour jewelry box today. Can't wait to see what is in my December collection. Glamour Jewelry Box is a monthly jewelry subscription. Love this subscription. Comes in a regular little bag. They moved to sustainable packaging. And I got this little card inside of here talking about the December collection. And it says, you're invited to an evening of jewelry and cheers. This month's collection was curated to help you look fabulous ringing in the new year. We are not only celebrating New Year's Eve, we are celebrating your gorgeous style Glamour Jewelry Box. So this should be a fun collection. I actually have Glamour Jewelry Box on today. I love this set. I actually think these might not have come in the same set, but I mix and match quite frequently. Aren't those pretty? So Glamour Jewelry Box is $34 a month, and you typically get 2 pieces of jewelry valued at $55 or more. And you can choose to skip or cancel at any time. You can choose gold and rose gold or silver, or you can rotate both, whatever you prefer. And of course, I have a code for you. If you'd like to sign up for this subscription and you use my code HAPPY, you will get an additional piece of jewelry in your first collection. I said box, but it comes in a bag, so we'll just say with your first collection. Usually valued around $25. All right, Zena's getting rowdy. Wyatt woke up. And now it's playtime. All right, you guys, can we do this? Because I'm excited to see what's in this collection. Let's do it. What do you think? You excited? Yeah, let's do it. I chose to receive any. I love gold, I love silver, I love jewelry. So let's do it. What do you think, Zena? All right, you always get little cards in with your collection that tells you about your jewelry, what the value of it is. You would think this is the first time I spoke today. It is not. First up, I'm going to show you these earrings. I love a great dangle earring, and these are fun. Let me see if I can get them out of the bag. Here's kind of like the preview while I try to get them out of the bag here. Let me see what it says about them. These are called the Champagne Toast Earring. With its fun geometric shape, these earrings have an elegant style that can be dressed up or down. Get ready to make a toast wearing this fun pair. The retail value is $27, and they're from the Laurel and Rose collection. And maybe I'll just use this to show you what they look like. Look how pretty those are. I'm loving these. I love a good dangle. There you go. Can you guys see that? I like the size of these. What do you guys think? Are those not pretty? So pretty. I love, love, love a dangle. All right, I'm going to put these on for you in just a minute. Let's look at the second piece. This is called the New Year's Eve necklace. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, I like this. It moves. Wait till you see this. Check that out. Look how pretty that is, first of all. Check out the pretty, pretty stones. And then it also has the stones at the bottom part too. So one is solid gold and one has the pretty stones. Hopefully that's coming across. And then you can adjust this so it slides. Yay! So pretty. Love it. The chain is really nice. Does have an additional adjustment here at the top if you wanted to shorten it or make it even longer. I think that is so pretty. I am in love. I love that kind of adjustment when you can just slide it up and down to wherever you'd like it to be. So pretty. All right, so what does it say about this one? It says, the New Year's Eve necklace is a coin pendant necklace that is dainty with a hint of sparkle. With its longer length, this piece will provide you greater options to pick from in your jewelry box collection. And the retail value of this is $30. So between these two pieces, you're getting a collection valued at $57. All right, let me try these pieces on. Let's see how they look. Okay, so I've got these beautiful pieces on. What do you think of the dangle earrings first? I love these. They're very lightweight. I love the shape. I like the dangle. What do you guys think? So pretty. Just easy. So you can wear these for a dressed up look or for a casual look. Perfect. And then I also put on the necklace. I brought this up. You can see it. You can totally move this so easily to wherever you want it. I brought it up higher so you guys can see it. And then you can leave this just hang so you can just fit it perfectly to wherever your neckline makes it look the best. Love. And then the dangle comes down pretty far. And you can also have these be even or uneven. I chose uneven. So let me show you a closer look. Here's the earrings. And the necklace. What do you guys think? I think this is such a pretty set. There's so much you could do with this. From, you know, a basic t-shirt to a dressy dress. Loving it. Yeah. Ah, I like it. I can't wait to hear what you guys think. I wish you could talk to me right now. I think this is so pretty. Loving the adjustable pieces here. There you go. See, it looks pretty lower too. What do you guys think? I'm going to stand up so you can see how long that is. Love it. And then you could take it even lower. You could even, like I said, make these even if you wanted to, just by holding the one. There you go. Make it more even. Exactly even. Whatever you like. I like them a little bit off, I think, so that one's a little bit longer than the other. I think I like it like that. What do you guys think? So many ways to wear this. I think I'd have so much fun with it. I'm in love with it. This was such a great collection. All right, that's my Glamour Jewelry Box. Loving these pieces. These would be super fun for New Year's Eve or anytime. This would be a great gift. I loved it. What do you think, Zena? Zena like jumped off and now she's back because she thinks this is the wrap up. She's a smart girl. Well, thank you so much for unboxing this with me today. This was so much fun. Can't wait to read your comments. So please do comment down below and tell me what you thought. I'll put all the information down below in case you want to check Glamour Jewelry Box out. And I'll put my code HAPPY also in case you do want to give it a try. Use that code and you'll get an extra piece of jewelry in your first box. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, please hit that like button. Would love you to hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe. It really does help me continue to bring you new content. And if you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Until next time, everybody. Bye-bye.